The matter came up today for arraignment of the defendant in respect of a 16-count charge bordering on alleged offenses committed under the Money Laundering Act. The defendants pleaded guilty, not guilty to all the counts, and afterwards an oral application for bail was made by the defense, mainly on the ground that the alleged offenses are offenses that are bailable, and that the defendants do not in any way constitute a flight risk, and that in the circumstance the court should exercise its discretion in admitting them to bail. And also fundamentally that under the Administration of Criminal Justice Act, particularly Section 162, does not provide that applications must be in writing. And of course, we relied on the decision of the Court of Appeal in Abiola and FRM to make this application. But the court, in its wisdom, ruled that the prosecution should be allowed on the circumstance to respond, having already filed a written application for bail, and consequently in the circumstance adjourned it to 2nd of January for the hearing of the bail application.
Are you pleased with the outcome?
Yes, of course we are pleased with the outcome of the ruling. As we all know, bail is entirely at the discretion of the court, and the court in its wisdom feels strongly that in the circumstance the prosecution should respond. Why not? We are pleased with it. On Friday, by the special grace of God, we'll be here to take the application, and we'll leave everything to the court to decide. Okay, my name is Adedayo Adedeji. Adedayo Adedeji, not Adebayo. Adedayo Adedeji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.